What's up, everyone? My name is Casey, and we're going to be doing a video of Angry Birds. If you have seen a video like this, well, you're not going to see one like this ever again. If I will find these, we're never seeing this video again. I've played this game before. Yeah, so that is a win and a win. I never done a full like that, but boom. Not down. Boom. Splitsy. I only used one. That's actually pretty lucky. Okay, so I know that if you tap with these dudes, they go faster. See? But it went so much faster than usual. But try and do perfect timing like that. So if I get the Zats, I knock them down. With only one left, so at least I killed them all. I took them all out. If it takes you more than one try, ooh, get mouse. Hope will be activated after these fights. Oh, I'm sorry about this, dude, but let's watch this. Cool. This is my video right now, Vienna. I'm recording. Not to let them see you, but you can watch what the tablet's doing. They can see what's happening on the tablet. They even see that little dude right there, little dot. Of course, they would have the full entire screen. Spin. I didn't realize you actually play. Spin. Oh, huge win! That's a huge win. That's exactly huge. I'm not spinning again. I'm not spinning again. So now I can do a direct hit on them. And yeah, I know I need you. Oh, you do bomb. I forgot. So I have to get you exactly close and then explode. Okay, I'll get her. Oopsie. I didn't even do that. Oh! I messed up, dude. I'm gonna have to pause it. Okay, I'm back, dudes. The Stretchy is the biggest model game ever defeated. The pig didn't save the eggs. Hey, this is redo. Redo. Perfect aimer. I am probably doing a little damage to the top roof to hit that roof. Probably a perfect boom. But if I go right up here, boom. Okay, so it's just this last one that I just have to get. So I can just slightly not aim at him. Oh, I did. I did kill him. 10,000. They should get a bonus. I know that. I already know that. But they're not good enough to destroy ice. Yay, that actually ups your score because you have to go out of your way. They told me to do it early. Ooh, that's actually pretty good. I was trying to aim at him. I didn't do it. Okay. Oh no, there's no more birds. One survived. No! One can never survive. Okay, so I'm gonna try and get the little one first. Look, he even goes fast. He's the one that goes fast, too. And 2 goes! No, I want to destroy you, too. I want to get off me, Clara. Get her off me, Aviana. Get Aviana. Get off me, please. Okay, dude. We're gonna do probably 3 more levels. 3 more of this, and then that's gonna be it. So you destroy ice, so I have to directly hit you. So if I go like that, yeah, and then I can bomb you away. And then I can super panel you. And then I can super panel again. And then I can do bombs away. So I have to go a little high. Boom. Boom, I still win. That was a direct hit. Well, we're not going to keep trying until we get a full star. We just keep trying until we have at least enough. So there's TNT in this one. Okay. That hurts them too. But I'll destroy one. They don't go high, I'm guessing. You destroy a lot. Doesn't have the aimer, so it's like very hard. I have to guess now. Boom! Didn't even blow up that TNT right there. Oh, am I gonna? It was like just about. Yeah, I got all of them! But I have to get one only two to even it out. Get now for this. Yeah, this makes sense. I like this show, actually. If you liked it too, comment down below saying hashtag like. Hashtag like. But if you don't like these videos, put hashtag don't like or unlike. Basically, this is not good. Or just not good. Or I don't want you playing this game or something like that. I'll listen. I promise. No, I'm not spending again because I did that last time. But I forgot what these ones do. So let's just see. Oh my gosh, I forgot these ones get big. So direct hit top. Oh, I should have done like a directed. The second it's about to land. And here comes a direct hit at a thing. Boom!
Oh, that's right.
Destroyed. They're destroyed. I said I'll get 2, 1, anything. But
I'm gonna get red one.
I only have a couple seconds on this. Okay. Ooh, I get that thing over there.
Go.
Okay, so now I hit him. Now I can go. Oh yeah, I forgot I have the aimer, so like aim exactly perfectly. Come on! I can aim directly at that one. Ooh, that gave him some speed. That gave him directly there. Yeah. And then I have to hit him up there. Boom! Destroy them with a rock. With their own pain. They probably wanted me to be down there, but they had to. They trapped their own selves. And they're like, I trapped my own self.
You not the cut.
Oh, so I can only. This one can only destroy these ones. So let's do. We haven't any of those, so. Now you have the potion effects.
Yeah.
Whoa! Those potion effects. Okay, made them bigger. Wondering if the smaller ones are going to. Yup, they're going to be bigger.
One more.
Let's step out.
One more.
Like just perfect. Like boom. This might be the last one after this. I really want to keep playing. Oh, actually, we're going to keep playing until this is around 19, 17 minutes or something.
Too dark.
Oh, click this.
Too dark.
Wow, they're really far away. They're too far away. I have to do ultra.
Whoa! Wow, you did it.
Ooh, this is a bombzer. I love them. Ready? Boom!
Boom!
Destroyed them all.
Sure,
I just destroyed them all with one bomb.
We saw.
Dang.
Okay,
I destroyed them all with one bomb. And threes are also awesome. Ooh.
We gotta go outside.
Okay, so I can make them rock. And then I can go up there. And then top.
Oh, it's dark. Too dark. That is dark. Too dark. Too dark. Too dark. It's dark.
Well, I'll just keep doing this.
Well,
He hates it. He hates it.
Oh,
look, he died. Ah, get off me! Get off me! Get off! Sorry about that, dude. I got a superpower, dude. Oh, he goes right through the stone.
yeah.
Is that awesome, dudes? He goes right through them.
Oh.
Let's go right there. Boom!
Yeah.
Untap again. So I have infinity of them.
You can't eat it.
Boom!
Oh.
What is that? It goes right through the stone. It went right through it. But with two ideas.
And the baby on you.
I didn't even use two.
Baby on you.
I have all of them.
Oh. You got a baby.
Oh.
You one.
I hate when there's babies on me, but it's okay.
A baby on you.
And put this.
Yay.
And there's a power.
You pick a red one.
And then I can make them rock because they're so high in the air.
You pick a red one.
Yeah! Potion. Potion you up. so used to you. And I can still potion you up. Make him way huger than he should be. Oh gosh!
Gummy.
I forgot I had to be very close.
Gummy Gale.
Oh wait.
That was when gummy.
Whoa! You make him get scared. Ow!
Oh.
Destroyed him too. Instant.
Almost.
Stop it, little one. Not good. Okay. Oh gosh. Let's get all this on there. And supercharged you. And this is too powerful, but whatever. Like I said, way too powerful. Put you instead of him. And then I just need to rock him up. Oh gosh, look at the high ones. What is that king? Here it comes. Let's get in the far back, dudes. Boom.
Get it. If it's gonna get you, are you
Boom. Destroyed. What's gonna get that TNT? Wait. No, I just need to get him. I'm gonna do supercharged right on. I used all of them. He was so funny when he deflates. Wow. Power ups. I got 35 of them.
Oh, one.
No, because I used them.
Oh.
Is that the wrong thing to click, dudes? Sorry about that, dudes. No, I took the Angry Birds 2. Does it episode? Yeah, no, I don't need
What?
to. Mario! Tell me if everybody likes Mario.
Mario, Stacy.
No, you don't. Mario's a boy. But
Yeah.
it's Princess Peach.
Yeah, we like Princess Peach. Princess Peach is a toy. You knew that?
No, that's who stole you. That's who got you. Princess Peach got stolen by Bowser. Sorry about ruining it, but it's okay.
Okay. Get back that tea. Oh. He knows somebody.
Hey, whoa! That's a good amount.
Mario guys, yummy. Mario guys.
Hey, welcome. Start with the first one, dudes. Okay, so I have 7 of us.
Oh, you got
Always
four.
have that, but let's do this. This is one that you may use each power once per level. Okay. Let me just rock them all up first. Then just blow them up. I didn't even use you. I don't even know what you died to do. Ah! You need to gain 4 complete levels, and from your brain, fill the bar to get permits to the next ledge. Oh. So I need to play more levels, improve the ranks, and get better rewards. Okay. Those are the names. I don't know. I'll just figure out what you do. Oh, you make a bubble so they get trapped. Okay. Trying to bubble you up. Look, like it bubbles them all up. And then they all fall down. Bubble! It was a shooter, but it didn't even do anything. But I must get full stars each time, dude. I'm gonna do 3, and that's it. Yeah, I got something, so I only get 14 out of that. What's this doing? Nah, I don't need that. See? And I'll just make it so I can go a little stronger with you, dude. Oh, you're a boomerang. So I can shoot you back and then push. Oh, so if I do the same thing I didn't mean to do him, I can shoot you back. But let's use you instead, Electro Shocker. Blow up, TNT. Blow up, blow up, blow up. Boom! Boom! Blew up. Probably figure out what he did. Let's figure all that out. Over the top! Okay, I'm gonna do one more. If I get 3 stars, I'll get him. I'll get the little thing. You, every level, so I can probably grab her in a bubble. So let's see what you do. Oh. No, but he's almost dead. You mean you don't need full stars? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna fill up this whole bar. I'm telling you, dudes, I really don't want to stop playing this game. I already told you dudes this, so let's rock them up. Very scary because I can blow up that TNT right under them. And then I can bubble them up. I was gonna save them. Oh, come on, you ruined my fun. I'll just shoot you, make you go woo. But I think just shooting him forward works better. But okay, the last 3 stars, and I just totally went. You need at least over 1,000. I'm not gonna do you again. I'm gonna rumble it up. Make that TNT blow. I think we can only make the TNT blow. Got you in there. But I just need to get him in her. Whoa! Oh! I was gonna do a bubble. Alright, what does she do? Oh, she wants a bombing! At least I have you. Boom! I can use everything once. Yeah, dude. Okay. At the end of it, dude. I really don't want to stop playing this game. Let's keep playing, dude. Let's keep playing. Let's keep playing. Building structures. Ooh! If I waited, I would be able to have it. Gone. Just direct hit. Boom! Like, direct. Ooh! I just have to go a little bit out. I think I know what I need. I think I know what I need. I need you to help me. You let me go a little farther. You don't go off course. But I could just hit that TNT over there. Blow up, blow up. Use you. Use you. Okay, so I just have to shoot over there. Here, boom! No, I don't want to use everything once. No! Stop pulling empties. No! They won. Can I redo? Can I redo? How do you redo a level? Oh, no, don't need you. Can I have it right there? That and that. And let's use you first. He went down instead, so I hope I have him. You don't want to get hit by this, but you are. So you are going to get hit by this, but you're not going to want... Oh gosh, I missed it. I had to have a direct hit on these with this. Boom! Oh! You should know! No! Redo. Okay, it still have you, but I don't need that. Oh, this is actually really off course. The speed dude. Hey! Stop it! It's not funny. Is that you? No. Ow! Ooh. Okay, and then the last one.
Baby on you.
You see? So I can destroy both of them. Whoa, 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 whoa. Destroy them with this. Boom! And then make it rock. Yeah. There's a boulder right there. So I just shoot him right there. Do that. Dang it. Redo. How do I do this? How do I even do this? I need this too. When I start, I should knock them down first. But the problem is that didn't go down. So I have to electrocute them. Electrocute them? Why? Because I'm about to electrocute them. Thunder them. What the hell? What? What did it give me all of them? Store to beat. Oh, it says I'm not close enough. More to beat. Why do I need to watch that? A present. Ow! Collecting block books, storage, building stretcher. 5 more to beat, dude. Can't even shoot that far. But they give me a normal one. They don't give me this one. That's why. Doesn't even allow you to shoot that far. Oh, it worked. Look, it worked. Smashed. Oh my gosh. It took forever. I only had 8 of those. Let's keep it on this. Oh gosh. This is going to be the end of the video, dude. So, see you all later. Bye.